the white tee, got my glizzy tuck. Broward County, Florida nigga, boy, throw your city up. Broke nigga, better chase it bad, better get it up. Solid bitch, she gon' listen when I tell her set you up. I flood the city with packs. Just hopped out the flight, but I'm going right back. You niggas is capping, don't know about that. I really ratted them packs. I'm talking pack at the pack at the pack. I put the weight of the hood on my back. You niggas don't live what you rap. Say that you shoot, but I never heard about that. I see the lights. I hope it ain't 12 getting behind me. Cause the shit in my trunk. They charge me like I caught a body. Before I catch a case, I'm flooding this bitch full throttle. I'm doing the dash, but it feel real slow cause I sit at the bottom. Yeah, catching no case, nigga. Again, get money, nigga. I bought a rollie, it's busted. Yellow Lamborghini, yellow top like it's mustard. Getting out of line so a nigga get touched up. Ask for a front cause a nigga done fucked up. I bought a rollie but I don't want a paddock. I got it on me, you don't want no static. Big face shorty, my shooters is at it. We don't want the chain cause we know that shit plastic. I caught a body and wrapped him in plastic. If it's not a student, I'm wrapping the bricks up in plastic. People don't say my name cause that's how shit happen. Really be living this life that they rap. You gon' have to show me you do too much capping. You do too much capping. Yeah, stop all that capping. Yeah, man, real shit. I keep it glizzy, I feel like I'm shy. Run up on me, little nigga gon' die. This one my shooters, that's all in the sky. Yo plug a bitch, I can see in his eyes. Got me some Louis and Fendi. None of that.
I'm gonna redo this one because I just feel like they're in completely wrong spots. Here we go again. Alright, after you put in your two ponytails, you just boom. I'm just playing. You could do that, but I'm gonna go ahead and take some bundles, of course. I purposely use them for like hairstyles like this where like I'm just gonna take it off and I'm not gonna use them again. The hair is 18 inches. I'm not gonna take that much. I'm gonna take about this. I'm gonna line it up and just
Yeah.
Damn, Fitz, you snapping.
I like to get in my bag, I like to stay out my feelings. My whip, it got paper tags. I bought some shit and it came with no ceiling. My little bitch is so bad, pull up, I'm hurting these fuck niggas' feelings. Don't mean to brag, but I made 100 all off of a vacuum sealer. These niggas going outside, snitching and ratting, no, I never feel them. I know they wish that they had what I had. I know these niggas won't kill me. I got some shit in my bag, so walk up on me and we finna drill 'em. I like to get to the bag and stay out my feelings. I stay out my feelings. My shooters on the court under the rim. Play with my top, but we'll bust at your brim. This is real life, baby, this is not Sims. I thank the Lord and I ask for acceptance, cause I'm about to sin. I told my niggas like this shit, we gotta go win. Whatever it is, bitch, we going right in. I really move past that, you know that I'm him. You think that you lit it, well, knock out your light, yeah, what made that shit dim? I'm in the water, the deep end. Baby, what's up with it? Don't gotta wait till the week.
This one actually came out decent compared to this one.
Yeah. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, gon' get the freaking. And I keep a pistol on me, cause these niggas creeping. Hitters, they come from my rain, you don't know what they speaking. I like to get in my bag, I like to stay out my feelings. My whip, it got paper tags. I bought some shit and it came with no ceiling.
Stuff like this.
My little bitch is so bad, pull up, I'm hurting these fuck niggas' feelings. Don't mean to brag, but I made 100 all off of a vacuum sealer. These niggas going outside, snitching and ratting, no, I never feel them. I know they wish that they had what I had. I know these niggas won't kill me. I got some shit in my bag, so walk up on me and we finna drill 'em. I like to get to the bag and stay out my feelings. I stay out my feelings. Don't treat me like I'm a rapper. Like a nigga won't go pick the strap up and slam on you niggas like Vince on the Raptors. Leave a name on the shirt like a jersey in the rafters. Yeah, you niggas hustling backwards. Gotta hit him one time, make a nigga do a backflip. Make a nigga do a backflip. I remember days when nobody loved me. 10% around now, bitches wanna fuck me. You wasn't there in those grimy days, I was unlucky. But now a nigga needs some permission if he wanna touch me. Nigga, I die by mine, got a case, we got Russian. I like to get in my bag, I like to stay out my feelings. My whip, it got paper tags. I bought some shit and it came with no ceiling. My little bitch is so bad, pull up, I'm hurting these fuck niggas' feelings. Don't mean to brag, but I made 100 all off of a vacuum sealer. These niggas going outside.
Just to add a little bit extraness, I'm gonna add this little thing that says kiss on it. It's a bobby pin.
I'm in the booth of the track. They say they shoot, but that's cat. They wanna know how I do it like that. I'm with the shit, I go lose with the Mac. Said you a shooter, but I never heard about that. I never heard about that. Nah, I never heard about that. Bang with shot and they bang with balls. After the city with packs, just hopped out the flight, but I'm going right back. You niggas is capping, don't know about that. I really ratted the packs. I'm talking pack at the pack at the pack. I put the weight of the hood on my back. You niggas don't live what you rap. Say that you shoot, but I never heard about that. I see the lights. I hope it ain't